This is Makita Impact Gold Ultramagnetic Torsion Insert Bit Holder. I'll be using this bit holder for I think like a lot of years, maybe even more than 5 years. So look at this, except the plastic part. It's basically like new, right? And it's a super strong magnetic inside. And the gold bit is the original I bought, like a couple, and still using it. So the reason you use a drill bit holder is that it will grab the screws like this. So the other drill bit holder problem is that the magnetic is not strong enough. You see this? You see how strong it is? Just like glue on it, right? You're gonna be like a super. So you gotta shake it hard like this. It just drop. So like others, same. It's very safe to use. Once it's on, you probably just never get it off. So just like this, you start. You see, you just free spin. And also there's a trick. You see this one and this one, it can remove. Sometimes you screw in a screw that you want to remove. If the shoe is right here, it's not easy to do. So take this one off and you can remove any screw that you screwed in. So it's super convenient and the quality is superb. You see this? You see how it's weared out, but still like the first day I'm using it, very good. I highly recommend if you want to buy a drill bit holder, no look further. This is the one, just buy this one. Alright, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.